There is something silently making decisions about your money, your job, even your health. It's not a human. It's artificial intelligence, running somewhere you never see. Every time Netflix suggests a movie, every time your bank flags fraud, every time your phone unlocks with your finger scan. Machine learning is working behind the scenes. But what is machine learning really? And how do companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google run it at global scale? In this video, you'll learn what machine learning actually is, how it's trained, and how cloud platforms make it work in the real world. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. Instead of programmers writing rules, we give machines data, and they learn patterns from it. A normal program says, if temperature is above 30, turn on the AC. Machine learning says, look at thousands of temperature and comfort records and learn when people prefer AC. In machine learning, data has two important parts. Features are the inputs, things we measure. For example, temperature, humidity, time of day, or a person's age. Labels are the answers the AI is trying to learn. For example, to keep AC on or AC off, whether the email is spam or not spam, whether the customer will buy or will not buy. There are three main ways machines learn. Supervised learning. The machine is trained using labeled data. Two common forms are regression, predicting numbers like house prices or revenue, classification, predicting categories like fraud or not fraud. Unsupervised learning. The machine finds hidden patterns without labels. This is called clustering, used for customer segmentation or behavior grouping. Reinforcement learning. The machine learns by reward and penalty, like robots, games, or decision optimization. Some problems are too complex for traditional machine learning. That's where deep learning comes in. Deep learning uses neural networks, inspired by how the human brain works. Instead of humans defining features, deep learning models learn features automatically. This powers face recognition, speech recognition, language translation, self-driving cars, image and video generation. Deep learning becomes powerful when large data meets cloud-scale computing. Every machine learning system follows a life cycle. First, you select an algorithm, the mathematical approach the model will use. Then comes training. The model learns patterns from historical data. Next is evaluation. We test how well it performs on unseen data. Finally, deployment. The trained model is used in real applications. Now let's talk about common machine learning algorithms. Linear regression predicts continuous values like prices or demand. Logistic regression predicts yes, no outcomes like fraud detection. Decision trees makes decisions using rule-based splits. Random forest combines many decision trees for better accuracy. Neural networks powers deep learning for vision and language tasks. Accuracy of models are judged with evaluation metrics. Different types of evaluation metrics are accuracy, how many predictions were correct, like 95 correct predictions out of 100. Precision, how many predicted positives were actually correct, like fraud alerts that were truly fraud. Recall, how many real positives were correctly detected, like catching most fraud cases. Mean squared error, or MSE, how far predictions are from real values, like price prediction error. Silhouette score, how well data is grouped in clustering. High accuracy alone is not enough. A bank cares about false fraud alerts. A hospital cares about missed diagnoses. A business cares about cost, speed, and trust. That's why performance metrics must match real-world impact. Banks use ML to detect fraud. Retail predicts demand. Healthcare predicts disease risk. Apps detect unusual behavior. Machine learning is no longer optional. It's everywhere. Training AI needs massive computing power, huge data sets, and constant monitoring. That's why ML runs in the cloud. Microsoft uses Azure Machine Learning. Amazon uses SageMaker. Google uses Vertex AI. These platforms provide infrastructure, tools, and services to build, train, and deploy models at scale, instead of tuning models manually. Cloud platforms provide AutoML, like Azure AutoML, SageMaker Autopilot, Vertex AI AutoML. You bring the data. The cloud tests many models and finds the best one. Machine learning is how AI learns from data. Algorithms define how it learns. Metrics define how we trust it. Cloud platforms make it scalable. And now you know where the intelligence shaping your world truly lives. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and give this a thumbs up.